Welcome, business owners. In the next 60 seconds, I will reveal 5 actionable tips to boost your website's organic click-through rate. Tip number 1: compelling meta titles and descriptions. Craft compelling meta titles and descriptions. Make them enticing and relevant to grab users' attention in search results. Tip number 2: target high CTR keywords. Use keyword research tools to find and incorporate these into your content. Tip number 3: rich snippets and schema markup. Enhance your listings with structured data for more visibility. Tip number 4: improve page speed. A faster website not only improves user experience but also attracts more clicks. Tip number 5: optimize content for clicks. Use clear CTAs, engaging visuals, and a user-friendly layout to entice users to click. There you have it. 5 strategies to increase your website's organic click-through rate. Implement these and watch your traffic soar. Stay tuned for more digital marketing insights. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on other platforms as well. Links are in the description below.